Good morning, all of you. This is a physiotherapy laser which is used for pain management, which is also used for healing, and it is also used for releasing muscle spasm. Right? So this is completely physiotherapy laser. So that is why the probe which has been in front of you is a physiotherapy probe. So now when you look at the section of this, you can see there is an arrow and numbers has been given. So you can adjust the focal length of the area where you are working like this. Is it visible to you? So right now we are working at 10. So this is your focus. As we increase, the focus area will increase. As we increase more, right? As we increase more, so focus area will increase. The circle you can see. And as we increase more, the focus area is completely distributed into this much zone. So the first thing that you have to decide is wherever you are going to start the treatment, you have to see how much is the focus area where you want to treat the case. Usually when you are doing for the very first time, you should keep your focus at the maximum so that overheating will be not done on the patient and energy will be completely distributed. Once it is ready, now your handpiece is ready, what you have to do is you have to go onto the protocols and look at the section. Now you can see if you are not finding any particular disease name for which you are doing the treatment, you can see the pain has been divided into small, medium, large section, joint section, and then these are the name of the disease. If you are doing the treatment for ligament injury, for inflammation, for shoulder, for neck pain, you can select your options, right? The good part about this is you directly have to select the program. The timer, the energy and everything is already preset. You have to directly go to ready and you will press the foot pedal and laser will start firing, right? So now once it started firing, why it is not stopping in between? Because you have to complete the dose that you have started, right? So you complete the dose like this in a circular fashion wherever you are giving the therapy. Once the therapy has been done, this is called single dose. So this much of time it will take to complete the single dose, right? And once this dose is done, you can give maximum 3 doses in a single day to one of the patient. And this is how you have to work with the patient. Now we would like to know, we'll keep it on standby, we would like to know where this physiotherapy laser cannot be used. So if you see an open wound and you don't know whether this wound is cancerous or not cancerous, there you will not give therapy. You can give it on the metal surface, you can give it on the bone, you can give it on the muscles, you can give it on any of the tissues, no problem. You have to avoid direct exposure to eyes. So that is why you have to, if you are doing on the facial region, you have to place this eyewear on the patient, and doctor goggles need to be worn by the therapist who is going to practice with the machine. Thank you.